What's up guys, welcome back to another unboxing video. And for this unboxing video, we have vzn118496. Now the size of this rim is 22 by 10. The offset is 25. The bolt pattern is 5 by 139.7 and the camber is 77.8. Now of course these are our matte black rims and these are our Hellcat style matte black wheels, by the way. Now let's go ahead and open these up and show you what they look like. Now of course we do a couple different things to ensure they arrive safely when you guys order them. Starting off with this cardboard insert to protect the face of the rim as well as the edges. Now we do also put a plastic bag over it to protect it from any dust and debris, as well as a felt cover that is reusable if you still have your original rims. You can go ahead and throw these on them to protect them, as well as a plastic edge guard and just a little bit of foam for that extra added security. Now, this is one of our wide body rims, I believe, and it's one of our 7-spoke rims, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and it's 5 lug. And that's pretty much it for this rim. If you want to see more videos just like this one or more products just like this one, consider subscribing to our YouTube channel and make sure to hit that like button as well as that notification bell to get notified when we post more videos just like this one.